Hello my friends, welcome to the Oliver's channel. In today's video we are going to tackle a really clever and challenging math question. What is the value of the expression 9 divided by 81 over 81 divided by 9? Which option do you think gives the correct answer to this question? At first glance, this might seem like a very simple problem, but it actually confuses around 95% of people. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. Most people, when they first look at this expression, notice the two 9s that I've highlighted in blue and immediately assume they cancel each other out. Then they look at the two 81s and assume those cancel each other out as well. Eventually, they reduce the whole expression to 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. And without thinking twice, they quickly say that option A must be the right answer. But that's actually incorrect. Now let me walk you through the correct way to solve this question. First, we'll write this expression in the following form. 9 divided by 81, then divided by 81 divided by 9. Now instead of the part that I've marked in blue, we write the fraction 9 over 81. And for the part that I've highlighted in yellow, we write 81 over 9. At this point, we need to simplify the entire expression. Whenever we are dividing two fractions, it's best to apply the KCF method. In this method, K means keep the first fraction as it is. C means change the division sign to multiplication. And F means flip the second fraction. So, we replace the part that I've highlighted in yellow with 9 over 81 multiplied by 9 over 81. Now let's simplify this fraction. The numerator 81 cancels out with the one of the 81s in the denominator. And in the end, the full expression becomes 1 over 81. So, the correct answer to this question is option D. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. And to see more math videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel.